Welcome! If you've ever found yourself squinting at tiny text or wishing Discord's font was just a bit bigger or smaller, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the font scaling on Discord Web using your PC, all with the latest update. This quick and easy guide will help you customize your Discord experience so it's just right for your eyes. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Discord's website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture, and right next to it, there's a little gear icon. That's your user settings. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Appearance on the left sidebar. Give that a click. This is where all the visual magic happens. You'll see a bunch of options to tweak how Discord looks and feels, but today, we're focusing on font scaling. Scroll down a bit until you find the section called Scaling. Here, you'll notice a slider, or a set of options, that let you adjust the font size and overall scaling of the Discord interface. If the text feels too small, slide it up to increase the size. If you prefer to fit more on your screen, slide it down to make things a bit more compact. As you adjust the slider, you'll see a preview, so you can pick the perfect size for your needs. Once you're happy with your new font scaling, there's no need to save. Discord updates your settings automatically. Just close the Settings menu, and you'll see your changes applied instantly throughout Discord. And that's it! Now you can enjoy Discord with text that's comfortable for you to read, whether you're chatting with friends, gaming, or working on a project. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting!